to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to put together 3 Valentine's proposal ideas for the love of your life. Here we go. For this second setup, I'm going a little bit more traditional. I'm calling it Floating Hearts Proposal. As you can see, I repurposed a couple of the balloons from the first project, which is in part 1. So if you haven't seen it, I'm going to attach it at the end of this video. For this setup, I have 14 or 15 balloons, and in order for you to get the floating effect, you will have to get rid of the white strings that it comes with and use fishing line instead. And then you are going to tape it on the floor in different heights. As far as the table, I'm using a red rosette tablecloth, which is very appropriate for Valentine's Day. For the centerpiece, I'm using a round vase with a bouquet of red natural roses and a plastic engagement ring from Dollar Tree. Right behind it, I have 2 champagne glasses, and on the side, a box of chocolate. And to finish up and polish the look, I have red faux petals all around the table. This setup is very simple but classy, and most importantly, very easy for you to put together. For the proposal wall, I recommend that you have a strong tape to place it on the wall. So I'm going to be using packing tape, and I'm going to be bending this back to hide it. Okay, and you want to use the nicer side without the writing. So I'm going to flip this back, and then I'm going to tape it back. You can place a few all over at your event. I'm just gonna place one right now because I'm gonna take it down pretty soon, okay? I'm also gonna be repurposing Will You on here because why not, right? All right, let's do it. So now I'm going to write Marry Me with these giant letters that I got from Hobby Lobby. And very easy, I'm just gonna pull them off and place them right on each balloon. For the last word, me, you can either place the M here and the E here, or M here and E here, or M here or E here. Totally up to you. Now I'm going to hang this engagement ring over maybe the pink balloon or maybe a couple, I'm not sure. Let's see how it looks. But I'm going to use fishing line, and I'm also going to use clear thumbtacks that are already placed permanently, feels like, on my molding on top. And here's the finished product. So I ended up placing 2, one right there and one right here. And let me show you where I'm hanging them from. Right on top of there, I have clear thumbtacks that stay there because I'm always hanging things from there. So the fishing line is coming down right there. Alright guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you and giving you ideas on how to propose to your girl in the near future. And if you're not looking to propose, I hope it's a good video for you guys to do something romantic for your girl or your guy on Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my proposal ideas. And leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's looking to propose, or if you need to send it to somebody for hint, hint, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. Alright guys, until next time, bye.